easy cheesy lamb bake. You'll need eggplant, lamb mince, tomato pasta sauce, 3 cheese pasta sauce and shredded tasty cheddar to make this deliciously cheesy bake. It'll be ready to serve in 30 minutes. Start by preheating the grill on high. Cut a medium eggplant in half. Cut 1/2 into 5mm thick slices, then finely chop the remaining eggplant. Next, heat a non-stick frying pan over high heat. Cook half the eggplant slices for about 2 minutes each side, or until they're lightly browned, and then lift them out onto a plate. Cook the rest of the eggplant slices in the pan. Now add the chopped eggplant to the pan. Cook stirring as you go for 3 minutes or until the eggplant is tender. Add the lamb mince and keep stirring for 5 minutes or until the mince is cooked through and has changed colour. Stir in tomato pasta sauce and then bring the mixture to the boil. Remove from heat. Spoon the mince mixture into an oven-proof pan. If your frying pan is oven-proof, you can leave the mince in the pan if you prefer. Now top with the eggplant slices, pour over the cheese pasta sauce and sprinkle with grated cheddar. To serve it now, pop it straight under the grill for 5 minutes or until the cheese melts and the top is golden brown. This easy cheesy 5-ingredient lamb bake makes the perfect comfort food. For the full recipe, see the description below. For more 5-ingredient dinners, head to our What's for Dinner playlist here.